All right, so we're going to be doing page 93, number 4. And when we look at it, we can see it is just a description. There's no picture. So it says the diameter is 9 feet. All right, so we're going to write that down, and then let's draw a picture. So here we have a sphere, and the diameter, which is all the way across, is 9 feet. Now, in our formula, we've been using radius. So we know we need radius, which is half a diameter. So that is 4.5 feet. Right, halfway across that circle is 4.5 feet. Our formula is 4/3 pi r cubed for a sphere. Now, you could take this formula and just plug all the information into Desmos, right? If you're going to write 4/3 with parentheses times pi times the radius, which is 4.5 cubed. And you can just put all that information, and it will just pop out a value for you. And we'll talk about that right at the end, what that might be compared to what we're going to get here. So let's put our radius, 4.5 cubed, right? So 4.5 to the third power means 4.5 times 4.5 times 4.5. So we're going to have 4/3 pi times 91.125. Now to get our most accurate information, we don't want to use that 4/3 and change it to a decimal until we've multiplied everything out. So 4 times 91.125, and that's going to give us 364.5 over 3. Right? And then we can divide by 3, and we're going to get an even number, meaning it's not going to be a repeating decimal. It's going to be 121.5 times pi. So that's why we don't want to just change that 4/3 to a decimal straight away. Then we're going to put 3.14 in for pi, and our volume is 381.51, rounding to the nearest tenth. It's going to be 381.5 cubic feet. I forgot my units here, so you can add those on there. All right, so now if you were to put all of this into Desmos and you used pi instead of 3.14, your answer is going to be a little bit different. So if you want to use Desmos, just keep that in mind. Or you can put 3.14 in for where the pi is, and your answer will be exactly the same.